Are you needing the exterior of your home cleaned here in Charlotte, North Carolina? If you're looking for a small local business that you can trust to keep the outside of your house shining, look into Gibson's Pressure Washing. Gibson's offers a variety of washing services for residential and commercial properties. If it's not your house that needs washing, they also offer services for driveways, patios, pool decks, and even outdoor fireplaces. The changing seasons always leave grime and dirt on the outside of your property, so now's the perfect time to make your appointment. Gibson serves Mecklenburg, Union, Gaston, and the surrounding counties.